Welcome back. Good day, all. Today we're going to talk about life lesson 15, sincerity at work. I'm going to talk about sincerity of work in a really lucid way because we all work, we all go for a living, we have our commitments, both in terms of business, profession, whatever we are at. And we believe that sincerity at work is important and it is necessary. But actually, what does it mean? Does it make any sense that if we are sincere at work, does it come back and reward us? Does it come back and pay us back the way we are doing it? Does it have any correlation? The story I'm going to relate to you today will make sense to you. Maybe it will get connected to the storyline which I'm trying to build. The story is as follows. There was this boatman who had a very large boat and he wanted that boat to be painted. So he went to the painter and he said, "Here is the paint, here is the boat, please paint it red and give it back to me." So the the painter, went ahead and started painting it red. And while he was painting it, he found a small hole in the hulk and he was able to fix that problem, paint it, and then put it back at the place where it had to be put. The boat was ready, the boat was dry. The next day, the boatman comes and gives the painter a hefty amount of check, which was far beyond what the charges for the paint was, and the paintsman's job was. The painter was really surprised. He said, "What did I do? What did I do that you're paying me so much of money? You've already paid for the paint, and this is something which is astronomically different." The boatman said, "Let me tell you what happened. Yesterday evening, when the boat had dried, my kids saw it. They put it back into the sea and they went in for fishing. When I came back, when I saw that the boat was not there, I had realized that I did not tell you that the hulk had a hole and the kids had gone out for fishing. And the moment they came back, I was relieved. I was relieved that nothing had hurt them. Today, whatever I'm giving you is just a small token of appreciation. And there is no gratitude for the thing which you have done in my life, that you have saved my kids' life. All my kids are safe and sound, and I can't do anything more than this." The painter was happy, the painter was excited, the boatman showed the gratitude. The story ends there. But what's the moral? What's the life lesson that we have in life lesson 15, sincerity at work? What it says is, no matter who, when, and how, just continue to serve and help. No matter how small it is for you. You have to understand that you never know who is needing what from us and when it is going to hold a surprise for all of us, the way the painter was surprised. And it will be helpful and it could be important for anyone and everyone and someone in life. With that, we come to the end of life lesson 15, which is sincerity at work. Keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing. Thank you so much. Have a good day ahead.